Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Kayla Don TV. This is actually my first YouTube video and well, it's not my first YouTube video ever, but it's my first YouTube video on this channel. So I'm gonna show y'all how I did this. This is typically makeup that I will put on if I'm like going out somewhere, like on a date or to the party out with the girls. You know, this is kind of like a dramatic but not too dramatic look. Let me know what y'all think. Like I said, this is my first like personal video with myself and nobody else. You gotta start somewhere. But yeah, so this video, I didn't go in depth of how I did my eyebrows, so an upcoming video will probably be an eyebrow tutorial. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to my channel, and I will be bringing you guys more content. I wanted to do my own channel with like makeup and hair and stuff like that, so here we are. I appreciate everybody who took the time to watch this. I'm not sure what my next video is gonna be yet, but I for sure want to do a birthday vlog because my birthday is the 27th, so I do want to do a birthday vlog, even though I won't be able to do anything like me getting ready. And I want to do a like a at-home photo shoot or something like that because I'll be turning 20, and I feel like 20, I mean it's not 21, but it's still a big thing. Yeah, more videos to come. So first I'm gonna start with my e.l.f. tone adjusting face primer, and I'm just gonna rub that all around, brush out my brows. Then I'm gonna go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in the color dark brown. Then I'm gonna outline my brows with the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Glow Concealer in the shade 2 or Creamy Natural. I'm also going to take this concealer and put it underneath my eyes to cover up my bags. And then I'm going to get a brush and buff out the concealer that I put around my brows. So now I'm going to go in with the same concealer and go underneath my eyes and cover up any spots that need to be covered, like pimples or anything, and just buff it out with a beauty blender. Once I'm done with my concealer, I go in with two foundations. I use the Fenty Beauty foundation in the shade 340, and I mix it with the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 335. Then I go in with some setting spray, and then I brush it in with a foundation brush. I don't like using a beauty blender for this part. Now I'm going in and adding more foundation to any spots that I've missed, and I will use a beauty blender to blend this out because these are spots that I'm not able to get with the brush. Once I finish blending out that foundation, I go in with that same concealer and focus on all of my highlight points of my face. Then I will be going in with my Fenty Beauty contour matchstick in the shade Cocoa. Then I'm going to go in with my beauty blender again just to blend out all of the concealer that I put in my highlight areas. Then I'm going to go in with the contour brush and blend out all of the contour. Then I'm going to go in with my Shea Moisture Mineral Powder Foundation in the shade Praline, just to set all of my contour areas. And then I take a smaller eyeshadow brush to outline my nose contour. Then I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Fit Me Pressed Powder in the shade 355 and set all around my face. I use this kind of as a setting powder. I don't really like to use setting powder because it kind of makes me look ashy, so this is what I use instead. Now I'm just wiping off my nose rings. Then I'm going to go in with my Fenty Beauty Kilowatt Highlighter Duo in the shade Girl Next Door and Chic Freak. I also like to add highlighter right underneath my eyebrows, in the corner of my eyes, and above my cupid's bow, just to add a little bit of pop to my face. Then I'm going to go in with my Magic Collection 2-in-1 primer and setting spray. And then I'm going to outline my lips with a brown lip liner. I'm not sure what company this is from because, as you can see, it's sharpened all the way down so the name isn't showing anymore. But yeah, I'm just going to outline my lips. Then I'm going to go in with my Clinique Pop Lip Color in the shade Bare Pop and put that on top of the lip liner. And then I want to go in with some clear gloss. Then for lashes, I use the Boss Name Minx The Ari collection. It came with 3 lashes. I ended up using the pair called Millionaire. Then I went over my brows with a brow shaping clear gel from the Color Workshop. So I realized that I didn't put mascara on before I put my lashes on. So then I went in with my Maybelline Rocket Volume Express mascara and put some on my top and bottom lashes. So now we moved on to my hair. My hair is in like a 2 or 3 day old silk press. So I just took it down and brushed it out and used the rat tail comb to fix my parting. I then went in with the Maui Moisture Heal and Hydrate plus Shea Butter Raw Oil and just put that all throughout my hair just to give it some shine. Then I decided I wanted to go for the slick back look, so I pulled my hair back behind my ears and pulled out some sideburns. And this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think about this, and I will be coming at you guys with more content soon, so just stay tuned.